Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to my channel. So today let us start the class 2. So yesterday I had done the class 1. So I got a very good response from you all people. So I thought of continuing it to the further days and all. So this initiative will be covering the one topic of FSSAI and one current affairs with respect to FSSAI, which is relevant to assistant exam of FSSAI. So this is for only for assistant exam and not for any other TO or FSO exams. So since more people were demanding to continue this video, I have done. So please share this video because I'm investing more amount of time for you all guys to pass in the examination and to get quality video content, because you can see no one is bringing current affairs series for you all, but I am bringing a current affairs series for you because I am following current affairs from past 1 years for all the exams. So since I know about it, I have bought one topic plus one current affairs current affairs video. So today and yesterday we had spoken about force course and initiate first initiative of FSSAI. So today let us see another initiative called as colored book of FSSAI. So this is a very important topic for assistant exam because last year two questions were from colored book of FSSAI, and current affairs part will consist of trans fat. So these are the two topics which we are going to discuss today. So okay, let's continue now. So first book. The first book is called as Orange Book. So what does Orange Book speaks about? Safe and nutritious food at workplace is a nationwide campaign to help people eat safe and eat right while at work. With the rising incidence of diet-related disease, we need to be more conscious and more mindful. So Orange Book mainly speaks about, see, these books are a part of safe and nutritious food itself. I have explained what is safe and nutritious food yesterday. So if you want to see, I have pinged the video in the card or in the description box, you can see that. So what is Orange Book means? So it speaks about safe and nutritious food at workplace. It's a nationwide campaign to help people eat safe and eat right while at work. So this is the keyword here. So Orange Book specifies to which place, that is at workplace. So for workplace, Orange Book is related. So Orange Book speaks about everything really with respect to food safety and how people should eat food and what are the physical activities should be taken, but in which place means workplace. So the option which consists of workplace will be the correct answer. With the rising incidence of diet related diseases, we need to be more conscious and mindful of our diets. So if you everyone will be knowing that in workplace and nobody will be, nobody will be active because if you are from software company and all, you need to sit in a single place for many hours and work there in front of the computers. So you will not be having a physical activities, but without physical activity human cannot survive. So Orange Book speaks about these all these aspects which are present in your workplace. So this initiative therefore educates people on safe and healthy diets. Further campaign would help to develop an overall ecosystem for safe and nutritious food in workplace. So this is the keyword here. So you need to remember Orange Book is for workplace. Now let us look into the next book, Pink Book. So this Pink Book has been developed specially for kitchens. So the keyword here is kitchens. So Orange Book was for workplace and Pink Book is for kitchens in Indian homes, so that the food prepared is safe, hygiene and nutritious. So you know that in a house the food made in house will be very safe, hygiene and nutritious, but sometimes we do not know. It might have been spoiled, or it might have been attacked by any type of fungus and all. You could have seen, if you leave bread for many hours in open space without using it, then you'll see a layer of fungus grown on it. So these are the types of aspects which has been discussed in this Pink Book. The Pink Book has 9 sections, namely buying food. Yeah, these things are not required, but just have a idea in your mind that what does it include. So it has 9 sections. They are buying food, storing, preparing and cooking, serving, eating healthy food, managing leftover food, packaging food, maintaining hygiene and sanitation in the kitchen, and managing waste. So these are the 9 broad sectors which has been covered in this book. So there will be no question on what are the 9 sectors at all. Just remember that it consists of 9 sectors. So broadly it consists of all these sectors, that is from bringing the food from your home and till disposing of the waste food from your home. So it includes all the things. It provides useful tips, do's and don'ts, methods and practices that are recommended for Indian kitchens. So Indian kitchens is typically made up of many dishes, with many side dishes also. So Indian kitchen has to be kept safe hygiene for having the food. So this is the second book. So pink book mainly speaks about kitchens. So next book is Dart, detect adulteration with rapid test. So what is this? So there was also a question with respect to Dart in last year paper, but it was not. Or Dart book speaks about what, when will the testing be taken place, and four options were given. So you can see in the question paper of last year, like what type of questions was asked. So DART booklet is a compilation of common quick tests for detection of food adulterants at house by the citizens themselves. So for testing any food, you need not go to any testing officers or any regional officers of FSSAI. You can study this book and test the quality of food in your house itself by yourself. It doesn't need any type of instruments and all. So as to induce awareness among the consumers about the food safety. That covers more than 50 tests. So it covers more than 50 tests that can be performed easily at household with the help of water and simple solution like tincture of iodine for food products like milk products, oil and fats, sugar and confectionery, food grains and its products, spices, condiments and etc. So there are many products which can be tested. So more than 50 type of tests is present in this Dart book. So if you just study this book and with some simple solutions and water, you can test the quality of the food. And then names of these food items are given, but these are not important. These tests also include sensory evaluation tests for establishing authentication of food. Dart depicts the difference between the pure and adulterated food through pictorial representation. So sensory evaluation means tasting or smelling. So if you think that the food is not safe, first you try to smell it, right? If the smell is good, then you say that okay, the food is safe and we can eat. But if the smell is not good, then immediately we will throw that. So this method can also be used. This is also one of the test here. And also tasting, you take a small part of the food and taste is whether the taste it whether the food is safe or not. So this is also one more method. So now let's look into the next method, Yellow Book. So this is the fourth book. So the Yellow Book is an interactive, illustrative, easy to understand guide which becomes an important tool for parents, students and teachers. So this is for parents, teachers and students. So the fourth book, Yellow Book, is for parents, teachers and students. This book serves as a ready reckoner that includes material for classroom narrative lectures as well as laboratory practicum or exercises. So for laboratory practicals or exercises, this can also be used. So for parents, teachers and students, and also for lectures and laboratory practices. The Yellow Book can be used independently as a guide, an active book, or in conjunction with the learnings aids provided as a part of comprehensive toolkit in the form of training manual, PowerPoint presentation activities. So this is a comprehensive book which is mainly for academic purposes. So as you can see, it is for parents, teachers and students, and also as a classroom narrative lectures as well as laboratory exercises. So these are the main four books that you have seen now. So the first book, orange book, is for, as I said earlier, it is for workplace. The pink book is for the kitchen. The Dart is for detecting adulteration with rapid tests, and Yellow Book is for academic purposes for parents, teachers, and students. So now this is the second initiative class of FSSAI. Now let us go to the current affairs part. So what is the news? So this is with respect to trans fat. So in the last class I had spoken about trans fat. The trans fat is unsaturated fatty acid. So what is the news? India has first let us look into the newspaper cutting. Yeah, you can see this is the screenshot of Jagran Josh. So packaged food to be trans fat free by 2022 in India. So this is the key point here. So the packaged foods should be to be trans fat free by 2022 in India. This is released by FSSAI, as you can see. So I have taken this screenshot in this manner because there were some ads on the either side of the page. That's why I did not take the complete picture of this. Okay. So now let us see. India has managed to reduce the limit of industrially produced trans fats to 2% in order to make India free from industrially produced trans fat by 2022. So the aim is to have 0% by 2022. So presently in 2021, 2%. So by 2022, it should be 0%. So this is the aim of FSSAI. 1 year ahead of WHO guidelines. So there might be another question also. What is the target of WHO to eliminate trans fats? It is 2023. So just remember this. So as per Food Safety and Standards Authority of India study, India is all set on the right track. So it is also India is also on the right track to become industrially trans fat free by 2022. So these are the main points with respect to current affairs. So by presently 2021 it is 2%, and 2022 it will be reduced to 0%. But according to WHO, the target is 2023. But India is achieving this target 1 year before itself. So these are the main points that you need to remember. So okay guys, I guess this video is complete now. I guess you like this content, so please like it and share it with your friends, because I need more views for my quality videos, because I'm investing so much of time for making these videos and to get quality content, because these are not fake contents. As you can see, these specific videos are not available anywhere in YouTube or Google. That's why I'm asking you to share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel also, so that I get motivated to bring more such videos for you. Thank you.